Hello, and this is the video for IGCSE Additional Maths, Cambridge Code 0606. So, what is additional maths? Additional maths is not just extra or more maths. It is an extremely rewarding but also extremely challenging course that pushes the highest achieving mathematicians to engage with concepts that are usually first encountered at A-level. The additional maths syllabus is intended for students who wish to study maths or a maths-rich subject beyond A-level. What Cambridge says about this course. So successful candidates often gain lifelong skills from this course, including the further development of mathematical concepts and principles, the extension of mathematical skills and their use in more advanced techniques, an ability to solve problems, present solutions logically and interpret results, and a solid foundation for further study. So this is the AdMaths course overview. There are 14 different topics, and the topics in red are the topics that you usually would not encounter until Year 13 A-level maths. The topics in blue are usually what you would first encounter in Year 12 in A-level maths. And the topics in black are those which you will experience in your normal IGCSE maths, but they will be extended in some way. And they will build upon what you already do in your normal maths lessons. So the AdMaths course structure at KIS, you have 3 lessons a week, and usually they are taught to complement your normal IGCSE maths course. So your normal maths lessons will have 4 lessons a week, and you will have an extra 3 lessons a week for your additional maths course. So in total, 7 lessons a week of maths. At the end of the 2-year course, you will sit 2 exams taken in Year 11. Each paper will be 2 hours long. One will be calculator and one will be non-calculator. So the benefits of taking this course. It is a really good preparation for doing A-level maths or any equivalent study to do further study in mathematics. Students who do well and succeed on the course often find taking AS maths quite easy, and the benefits of taking AdMaths can be felt way into Year 13, into A2 part of A-level. So there's some things you do in AdMaths that can help you even when you get to Year 13. Success on this course makes you stand out from the crowd, and you can quickly develop good study habits and attitudes that are highly beneficial for years to come. Who succeeds at this course? So it is a challenging course, and students who do well on the course are those who are strong mathematically and have the potential to progress even further. Those who have a genuine interest and love of maths. If you are prepared to work hard, and if you display good study skills. So if you are good you know that you have to participate, have good attendance, complete all tasks, do the independent revision outside of lessons, and persevere. So where does additional maths fit in? So if we look at this chart or graph, we can see that we start off at a lower level of mathematical sophistication at the end of Key Stage 3. And normally what would happen is that you would progress as you get older, and it would increase in level of difficulty. Okay, so this is sort of a linear progression. Where additional maths fits is here. So a lot of the content, there is overlap with IGCSE, but there's a lot of also overlap with AS level content and some A2 level content at Year 13. So here is an example of 3 questions from June 2012. They're all quite complicated looking. And what you'll notice is actually there's little to distinguish an ADMAS level question from an AS level question. So these two are of similar level difficulty, and at A2 it's also very similar. So it's a similar topic, similar concept, and quite complex in its nature. Very different to IGCSE maths. So you may be wondering, is additional maths for you? So the additional maths syllabus is intended for high ability candidates who have achieved or likely to achieve grade A star, A or B in the IGCSE maths examination. There is no formal entry requirement to do AdMaths, but you may want to consider the course if you show a regular strong performance in your class assessments this year and previous years, if you genuinely love maths and enjoy persevering through difficult problems until you get the answer. If you are at this stage considering maths A-level and that is something that you want to do in the future or a future maths career, and if you have discussed your suitability with your maths teacher, because your maths teacher will be the person that knows the best about you. So if you have any further questions, please talk to me or your maths teacher, and I hope to see you soon.